Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to text size increase in AutoCAD, full guide. Start by selecting the text object or style you want to change and open the Properties or Text Style dialog. Adjust height or scale values and preview in model space to check legibility. Use annotative text or dimension style when you need automatic scaling across viewports. Finish by saving a template to preserve consistent text sizes for future drawings. In this video, I will explain how to text size increase in AutoCAD full guide. To use text style, open the Style dialog and set a base height that matches your drawing scale, then assign a readable font. For annotative work, enable annotative and set scale factors so text adjusts automatically in viewports. Use the Style command to manage styles and replace older text by selecting objects and choosing the new style in Properties for consistent results. In this video, I will explain how to text size increase in AutoCAD full guide. Quick recommendation before we continue. I love the practical mindset in the simple path to wealth, which pairs oddly well with disciplined drawing habits. If this tutorial helps, please like and subscribe so I can make more useful guides. Check the description for the book link and any deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to text size increase in AutoCAD full guide. Enable annotative text for automatic scaling across multiple viewports and set each viewport to the correct annotation scale. For non-annotative text, calculate height by dividing desired printed height by viewport scale and enter that number. Always preview layouts with final plot settings to confirm legibility. Save scales and styles in templates to streamline future projects and keep text consistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.